Welcome to 14 Olympia Street in Kidman Park. I'm Sammy Haddock from Oz Property and I'm so excited to be presenting this beautiful family home to you. Come take a look inside. Renovated in 2015, this property has state-of-the-art appliances in the kitchen and is perfect for entertaining. There's an 18.5 metre shed situated right at the back of the property and still plenty of room for the kids in the backyard. There's a 6.6 kilowatt solar system on the roof. This beautiful family home offers 3 or 4 bedrooms with 2 separate living spaces that you can convert into that 4th bedroom. 10 minutes to the Adelaide Airport, 20 minutes into the city and just under 15 minutes to Westlake Shopping Centre, Kidman Park is one of the most sought after suburbs in the West. Laz and I are so excited to present this property to you on behalf of our vendors, and if you have any questions, please get in contact. Let's talk.